Hi, I'm Holly. I'm the Technical Support Engineer here at iHolland. Today we're going to be talking about ultrasonic cleaning and how it can effectively clean your tablet tooling and the advantages it has in tool maintenance.
So, why use an ultrasonic cleaner? Manual cleaning methods, while common, can sometimes be abrasive and risk damaging delicate tooling. Scrubbing or the use of harsh tools can leave scratches, and if items aren't dried properly, corrosion may develop over time. Ultrasonic cleaning offers a safer, more effective alternative. Using high-frequency sound waves, it gently removes contaminants, even from hard-to-reach areas, without causing surface damage. The process is consistent, non-corrosive, and includes the use of a corrosion inhibitor as part of the cleaning routine, helping to protect equipment and extend its lifespan. Let's take a look at the tools before the cleaning process. They've been heavily used and covered in product from the manufacturing process. The ultrasonic cleaner will remove this residue in the safest possible way without causing any damage to the tooling. First, let's start by filling the ultrasonic cleaner with water, detergent, and corrosion inhibitor. The quantities depend on the model of the ultrasonic cleaner being used. Next, turn the power and the heater on and select the right temperature. Whilst the unit is heating up, it's important to degas the cleaner. To do this, press the ultrasound and pulse buttons. After 10 minutes, the degas cycle will be complete. Gently wipe any excess product from the tooling with a dry cloth and begin loading the punches into the appropriate punch baskets. Load the basket into the tank using the hooks to secure. Close the lid, set the timer to 10 minutes, and then press ultrasound. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, the unit will stop automatically. Now, remove the basket from the cleaner. Carefully remove the punches one by one. Make sure to wear gloves when doing this, as moisture from your hands can lead to corrosion. Dry using a hot air dryer, or if that's not available, a lint-free cloth. Now, let's take a look at the results. Ultrasonic cleaning delivers excellent results on tooling by thoroughly removing residues, contaminants, and build-up from even the most intricate designs. The microscopic bubbles reach into the fine grooves and textured areas that are difficult to clean manually. This ensures a consistently high level of cleanliness without causing abrasion or wear. As a result, tools maintain their critical dimensions, surface finish, and performance over time. Regular ultrasonic cleaning can help prevent corrosion, extend tool life, and improve overall product quality and process consistency.